Hi, myself Harishankar. I have 13 plus years of experience in software development. In my role, AI adds an extremely valuable for making technical decisions and have a development efficient. I use many tools, and we do have an internal tool called Spritle One AI, where it's a single platform that helps us to understand from customers' requirement to the development and to the delivery plan. So it is a single platform that helps us to understand and have a better development. These tools helps analyzing code quality, improving potential changes needed, and suggesting optimized solution. It also helps me to evaluate different architectural approach and estimate development effort more accurately. This helps the team to have a better project plan and deliver the projects efficiently. By integrating AI into engineering workflow, we are able to improve our productivity by keeping the high quality standards.
Hi, this is Vashini, Business Analyst Lead at Spritle Software. With AI becoming the integral part of the modern workflows right now, the AI tools has changed the way how we approach the business analysis process. So it helps us analyze the requirements more efficiently and collaborate better with our stakeholders. We at Spritle have our own framework called Spritle One AI, which integrates tools like Claude Cowork, Anti-Gravity, Lovable, etc. to support stakeholder discussions, streamline requirement gathering, and quickly draft documents like SRS, BRD, and even build quick prototypes. By bringing both pre-sales and post-sales activity under one roof using Spritle One AI, we significantly reduce the turnaround time for our clients and win more projects, helping us move faster from requirements to development.
Hi everyone, this is Shiva KP. So when AI boom hit, so we in Spritle, we form a group of team to done some research what AI can bring. Then we form a group of 4 people and 4 different group, and we give 4 different use cases in Gen AI to solve a real time use case. So Spritle, we don't adapt anything until we understand what it brings to the table. So before starting our client project, first we want to build our framework so that we can understand what AI can bring, and using that as a base we can build our client project. So every new project has a solid proven base built on. From there we started delivering across multiple domains. So we got multiple pilot projects, we got MVP, and we started delivering a production grade application. But AI did not stay in the project lane. It moved into everything. A pre-requirement, requirement call, development, testing, deployment, every phase of SDLC. Spritle has its own SDLC process. So we believe we have to incorporate AI in all the phases so that we can deliver quickly, and we want to make our clients' life easier. So we started using multiple tools. So it became too many soils, your data scattered across multiple platforms, so our team switching contexts constantly. So we thought and we built our own SDLC process, a platform called Spritle One. One platform where our entire SDLC streamlined, one place, every phases AI assistant. This is not adapting AI, this is a rebuild our process around AI.
AI tool have significantly improved the way I approach testing and test planning. I use our internal AI tool called Spritle One AI to generate acceptance criteria, prepare detailed test cases, and even support automation scripting. This tool helped me quickly analyze requirements and convert them into a structured test scenarios. Because of AI support, I'm able to work across multiple projects more effectively and maintain a strong test coverage. It helps me identify edge cases and potential risk earlier in the development cycle. Overall, AI is helping QA team move faster while still maintaining the quality and reliability of the product.
Hi, I'm Sharanya. I'm working as a project coordinator at Spritle Software. In my everyday activities, we use AI to improve my efficiency in project management activities. From drafting a communication to the customers, we use AI in all type of communications like messages and emails, and wherever we wanted to share the decisions to the customers related to the project management. And we use AI also to make decisions, because sometimes when we have project management activities, we have lots of challenges that goes on, and we use AI to come up with the proper decision ideas that helps us to make better decisions. And apart from this, we also use AI meeting transcriptions, so that helps us to frame the minutes of meetings documentations for the customers to maintain the transparency and clear communication. And we will be having a lengthy requirement documentations. We use that documents in an AI tool, and that will help us summarize and gives us the gist of the scope of the understanding. And also we can able to capture the user stories and acceptance criteria with use of AI. So likewise, in everyday activities, we use AI in also to share the updates to the customers. And in overall, AI is making our work easy and efficiency, and it reduces a lot of our time.
I'm Benny Emmanuel, and this is how I utilize AI in my day-to-day life as a developer. So let me start with a recent experience of mine. A client gave us a CR, so I head straight to the ChatGPT, and with my experience, I came up with 3 approaches. So I list them out to ChatGPT and try to reason with it, regarding which one's the best approach. And once that is done, I confirm the approach with the tech lead. And once he is happy with that, I generate a prompt concluding the discussion that I had with the ChatGPT, and copy paste that into an IDE like Windsurf, Cursor or Anti-Gravity, and then I sit back and relax. So yeah, as a developer, I utilize AI to find the best approach and try to design a system that works best for our client, and then I utilize AI to generate Figma files, prototypes, so that the end customer can get an idea about what they're gonna get in future. And apart from that, lastly, I utilize bigger LLM models to generate test cases and do code coverages for me. So yes, that's how I utilize AI in my day-to-day life.
Hi, I'm Cynthia. I work as a HR at Spritle Software. In my daily work, I use AI to create posters, frame HR policies, internal communications, and redraft emails and all that. It basically reduces time and also helps me work efficiently. For me, AI is not about just saving time, it's also about productivity and efficiency. When routine tasks become easier, it allows me to focus on what truly matters in HR: understanding, supporting, and connecting with people.
Recently, AI has become a most important part of my development workflow. We are using the tools like Anti-Gravity and Claude, which are used to accelerate our mobile UI development work, and it also reduces the code complexity. With AI assistance, we are working. I can quickly design and develop my mobile UI screen and create a reusable code components. This helps reduce the development time and ensure the consistency across the application. Instead of spending hours writing repetitive code, AI allows me to focus more on improving the user experience and optimizing the performance. Overall, AI is helping us to building a overall performance and with a high quality of standards.
Hi, I'm Johnson. I mainly work on graphic design and UI design. In my daily work, AI tools really help me a lot. They make the design process faster and also help me explore more creative ideas. For example, I use AI for generating images, trying out different design concepts, and quickly creating visual assets. Tools like Canva AI help me design social media posts and marketing creative much faster. I also work with tools like Adobe and Photoshop, where AI features help me with things like editing images, enhances visuals, and even generating different design variations.
As you know, AI is evolving, and we have done an AI transformation company-wide on different departments. We have taken an approach of human-led with AI tool being orchestrated, and that is where we have created a tool called Spritle One AI, which is actually a platform being internally used. So when we say we have been using AI, we used to get certain questions. Because of using AI, is your development faster? Is it cheaper? And is it really reliable and safe to use AI? To honestly say, it is very hard to catch up with the latest AI trends and technologies but we have identified certain tools and technologies, large language models, which can actually work for our needs and for our customers on certain domains and so on. So we have been using tools like Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Google Gemini, and different large language models based on our needs. But our Spritle One AI, which is a platform where we also manage all the different prompts and the complete usage of what's been done by the engineers or an analyst team or a QA team is completely monitored under our platform. We thought about governance as the first thing, because it is not just about using AI. It is more important that we do the governance part, make sure whatever that is being done using AI is being monitored, it's being safe, and so on. So we have the Spritle One AI platform where we bring in all the different prompts or anything that is being generated using AI comes into our platform, and we would be able to monitor them, ensure that it has been safely used and securely developed in a very faster way. So we have an AI powered delivery system and process, not just AI tools.